Hello everyone, this is Leo from RailMac. In this video, I will introduce RailMac's HCD1500 New Energy Locomotive. RailMac is a professional one-stop railway equipment solution provider, offering HCD5000 to HCD1500 New Energy locomotives, HCD3000 to 5000 electric pullers, and HCD railcars. We also provide oil to electricity services, locomotive operation and maintenance, leasing, and major and medium-sized repair services to ensure equipment performance and reliability. RailMac is committed to providing high-quality products and services that meet the diverse needs of our global customers. The HCD1500 New Energy Locomotive is an electric railroad locomotive. It is mainly used in industrial settings, such as coal, metallurgy, and ports, for short-distance freight and shunting operations. It's a top 32 extremely high-torque permanent magnet synchronous motor to provide strong and efficient power output. And the whole vehicle data system is integrated with the VCU to realize real-time data monitoring and control. And it uses FOC closed-loop control technology to automatically monitor motor speed and frequency to ensure smooth operation. Maximum traction force is 173 kN, and maximum speed is 30 km per hour. With dimensions of 7,600 mm by 3,000 mm by 4,200 mm.
The vehicle is suitable for operation in confined spaces.
The range is 60 km, which meets the needs of short-distance transportation and reduces the frequency of charging. It can realize zero emissions and reduce environmental pressure, which is in line with the trend of green carbon reduction. Low noise during operation improves the working environment.
Its maintenance cost is lower and it's easy to operate.
And it improves economic efficiency. Based on our rich experience and resources, RailMac provides customized solutions for all of our global railway business partners. You are welcome to contact our professional service team to explore our premium locomotive offerings. Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact RailMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage, www.rail-mac.com.